Good afternoon. This is a lovely Sportage KX3 1700 diesel 6-speed manual in a lovely colour with black leather interior. This is absolutely stunning, in lovely condition. Bodywork is very good. It drives very well as well. Okay, it's got a huge amount of standard features: front fog lights, alloy wheels. It's got side steps on it, helping you to get up to the cabin. Okay, so it's leather interior, 6-speed manual gearbox. There's your front windows. You've got heated seats on the front, and you've got heated seats on the rear. Privacy glass for the back. There's the heated seats. Got childproof locks there, and there's your leather seats there. Alloy wheels. Got rear parking sensors there, so all the alloy wheels are in good condition. That's in lovely condition inside. Nice condition outside. These are heated seats to the rear. On the driver's side, you've got all the electric window controls there. You've got the electric door mirror controls. Okay, the car's on 100,226 miles. It drives very well. It's got cruise control. As I say, a 6-speed manual gearbox. There's your power takeoff there, aux USB there. Okay, it's got Bluetooth. Traffic, it's got navigation. Show you the map. There you go. Also, it's got a rear parking camera, so you can see behind you when you're parking. There's your easy seats again. Okay, you've also got the sunroof, which goes back, which also is the moonroof at the back, so that goes back. You tilt and it slides, which is a lovely feature to have on the car. So okay, let me show you underneath the bonnet. So it drives very well. We've just actually MOT'd the vehicle. It's come up with 2 tyres needed on the front, which we're going to do now. So it'll have a New Year's MOT, a new 12-month MOT, invariably with no advisories, and that's the 1700 diesel engine. Okay, so that's a Kia Sportage KX3 diesel with a huge amount of standard features, in lovely condition. Great value for money. I say it's got a new MOT on it for 12 months. It's going to have 2 new front tyres as part of the recommendation of the MOT, and we've just oiled and filtered serviced it. It has got service history, which I'll show you, which is at the bottom of the advert. So hopefully you like this car. If you do, give us a call, 01276 451 026. We work by appointment, so we're quite happy to make an appointment to sort of show it to you. So all we've got to do is thank you very much for looking at this video, and hopefully speak to you soon. Bye bye.